Good evening. Anmol classes welcomes you. In the previous video, we have seen for B.Tech second year first semester for artificial intelligence machine learning, we have seen the Python programming lab. In that we have covered first 5 experiments. In this video, we are going for seeing the 6th experiment, and in that we are having write a program to demonstrate working with tuples in Python. So we will be seeing what the tuples is and what are the different combinations that are possible with tuples. So before going for this, what the tuples is, I want to share with you that in the previous video, there was one suggestion that is from Veena Mishra 7110. So as per her suggestion, it was kindly improve the letters more visible on the screen. So as per her request, that is kindly improve the letters more visible on the screen. In this video, we are trying to increase the font size so that you can easily able to see the letters clearly. Thank you, Veena Mishra, for your feedback. Now, we'll be going for the program. What exactly the tuple is? Tuple are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So we can store multiple items in a single variable with the help of tuple in Python. Now, if we are going for tuple different combinations, one, we can have empty tuple. Second, we can have tuple with integers. Third, we can have tuple with multiple data types. Next, we can go for nested tuples. We can go for tuples without parenthesis. So tuple without parenthesis, they are called packed tuples. And even we can go for unpacking the tuples finally. So all these different types of the uses of tuples we will see from the program. Let us switch to the programming part. As usual, the program, it is starting with the comment line. So after hash, whatever we'll be writing, that is the comment part. It is for the user to understand. The compiler will just escape this, what are the matters are. So it is your experiment number 6. Write a program to demonstrate working with tuples in Python. Then first we will be having the empty tuples. So how the empty tuples will be? We are writing my tuple is equal to common bracket close, common bracket open, common bracket close, print my tuple. So now here if I am printing, I will be getting empty tuple. So in the output, I will not having anything. Second, we can go for tuples having integers. So in this, we will be having, say, my tuple is equal to common bracket open, 1, 2, 3, common bracket close, print my tuple. So in the output, we will be getting these 1, 2 and 3. These are the integers. So this is the second combination that we are having in the tuple. We can even go for the mixed data type. Mixed data type means earlier we were having just the integer. Now we are having integer, float, string, many more things we are having. So my tuple is equal to common bracket open 1, comma, hello, comma, 3.4. So 1 is the integer, hello is the string, 3.4 is the float. So this is the mixed data types. Then print my tuple. So here in the output we'll be getting 1, hello and 3.4. So not only for single data type, we can even go with multiple data types also. Then next we can go for your nested tuple. So in nested tuples means we are having, say, my tuple is equal to common bracket open. First one is your mouse, comma. Then in the square bracket we are having 8, 4, 6 square bracket close. And third combination we are having common bracket. In that we are having 1, 2, 3. So as we are having different combinations, so this is the example of your nested tuples. Print my tuple. So when we are going for print my tuple, at the output we will be having this mouse. Then in the square bracket we will be having this 8, 4, 6, and in common bracket we will be having 1, 2, and 3. Even without parenthesis also we can go for the tuple. So if we are creating tuple without parenthesis, it is called tuple packing. So my tuple is equal to 3, 4.6, comma, single colon, dog, single colon close. Then print my tuple. So here when we are going for print my tuple, at the output we are getting first 3 we are getting, this is the integer. We are having 4.6, that is your float, and we are having string, that is dog we are having. So this is your creating tuple without parenthesis. Similarly, and as it is called a tuple packing, we can go for unpacking of tuple. How we can go for unpacking? For unpacking, whatever this output will be there, that output we can write it as my tuple. For example, you are having A, B, C is equal to my tuple, and then we can go for a print statement. Print common bracket open A, common bracket close, print common bracket open B, common bracket close, print common bracket open C, common bracket close. So at the output we will be getting your this first element 3, then in second element we will be getting 4.6, and in third element we will be getting this dog. So this is your unpacking of the tuple. So let us try to run this program. So we are getting it. So if you are seeing the first one, this is your empty tuple. If you are going for the second one, this is your tuple having integer. And if you are going for the third one, this is your tuple with mixed data type. And if you are going with the fourth one, this is your tuple, nested tuple. And if you are going for the fifth one is without parenthesis we are having. So tuple without parenthesis we are having, and in this we are having your mixed data type. We are having integer, we are having float, we are having string, and finally we can go for unpacking this tuple. So when we are going for the unpacking, first we will be getting this your integer, second we are getting your this float, and finally we are getting this your string in the output. So with this we have completed your demonstrating the working of tuple in Python. In the next video we will going for your 7th experiment. Thank you.